So, as you just saw, our first step is to take some beat up, tore up, rough lumber. Got a twist in it here. Got one good solid piece there. We rough cut it down the length. Now we got to try to flatten it all. This piece here, we're not going to be able to use a good portion of it, but if I take it to the bandsaw and split it here, we'll have a good piece here, so that could go in the scrap pile. So it's on to the next step. All right, you never want to run a piece that's twisted like that through a table saw. As it's going through the table saw, it could rock, cause kickback. So you always want to remove as much of that as you can for safety. So we're going to split it down this line here to save this half using the bandsaw. Now the jointer will help us flatten one side and then help us square up one edge to that side. But we got a nice flat board, one square edge. So now we can go to the planer, slowly surface off this side to get this down where it's supposed to be, and we should be good to go. Okay, so here we have the planer set up. I'll raise it up. We're going to raise it to the height of that nick spot. And we're going to start running it through, bringing it down just a little bit at a time. Alright, and now, with the help of just a couple of tools, that twisted and beat up board is now flat on both sides, got a square edge. Nicely squared edge. Now we can run it to the table saw using our squared edge against the fence and rip it off to the width we need. Alright, so now we've got our fence is set 2 inches from the blade. We're going to run our pieces through and have our 2 pieces, then we can square up the ends after we get everything cut like we want. And from that rough, twisted board, we now have 2 rail pieces cut for the new cabinet. Okay, today I showed you how to take some ugly, rough-looking lumber and turn it into things that are very usable, flat, square, straight, thickness to the dimensions we want, and it works out perfect. Now a whole bunch more I got to cut. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.